Ever downloaded something on your iPhone through Safari and then wondered where to go? You're not alone. It can feel like your files vanish into thin air, but good news, finding them is actually super simple. I'm going to show you a quick trick that will make you a Safari download pro, ensuring you can always put your finger on those important files. Let's dive in. First things first, let's open up Safari and download any file. In this case, I will go to pixabay.com where you can download royalty-free images. Let's say you want to download this image here. Let's hit download, and we will agree to downloading this image. And now you will notice a little blue icon down at the bottom. Click on that. And now you can click on downloads. And you can see I've downloaded the same image 2 times. And in order to access the image, simply click on the magnifying icon right next to the image. And it will take you to the location in your downloads or in your files app within your iPhone, and it will show you exactly where the image is. Simply click on the image, and there you go. You can easily access all your Safari downloads directly from your iPhone. Remember, you always need to be cautious when downloading files from the internet. Check out this video where we reveal how to detect and delete all viruses from your iPhone.